Ggives to ShopeePay tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you Ggives to ShopeePay tutorial through which you will be able to shop products from your Shopee account using your Ggives cash. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just on the search bar just simply search for shopee.com, and you will be redirected to the official website of Shopee, where you have to choose the country from which you are operating your Shopee app. For example, I'm using it from Philippines. Just simply open that. And once you're there in your Shopee app, just simply browse through the products that are available in the Shopee website, and after that just put the desired product into your cart in order to buy it to make the payment using your Ggives cash. So for example, I want to buy this particular product right here, right in front of my screen. Just select the product, and after that just go to your cart, and once you are there into your cart, just select your billing address, and after that in the payment method section just select Ggives as your payment method option, which will be available in your Shopee account while using it, and after that just make the purchase happen, and this way you will be able to use it quite simply. So that's the Ggives to ShopeePay tutorial for you. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.